Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can post photos to Instagram from your computer. Before I begin, give this video a like, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And remember, I'll be doing a contest at 2,000 subscribers. Once I reach that mark, I'll be picking 2 winners for 2 Amazon gift cards. For you to enter that contest, all you need to do is be subscribed and comment down below to let me know you want to enter. Doing those 2 things gets you 5 entries in the hat. So with that being said, let's get on with today's video, how to post photos to Instagram from your computer. As you may know, this can only be done from a phone or a tablet, and it can't be done for a computer, but there is a way to do it, and I'll show you right now. Hop onto any computer. It could be a Mac, it could be a Windows machine, anything you want. Just get onto Google Chrome for me. And I want you to go to Instagram.com. And then once you're on Instagram, your Instagram page, you want to click on your profile. So it's at the top right hand corner. For me, it's my profile picture over here next to the heart. And click on profile. Okay, so once you're on your profile, you have your page with your photo and your biography and all that. So what you want to do is click the 3 dots here in Chrome. So it's all at the top right hand corner. Customize and control Google Chrome. Click on that. Scroll down until you see more tools. Put your mouse on more tools and then click on developer tools. So this little window is going to pop up with a whole bunch of code. Don't be scared. Don't let it scare you at all, because we're going to ignore all this code. We're more concerned about this icon right here, toggle device toolbar. If you click on that, basically what it does is it now makes Instagram into almost like a phone application. So it shows the same layout as if you would see it on your phone. So once you click on toggle device toolbar, you'll notice how it made it square, smaller. You want to refresh your Instagram page. So refresh it. Now you can click the X for the developer tools window. So just click this X right here, which will close that. So now anything that we can do on the phone app, we can now do on the computer. So to upload a photo now from your computer to Instagram, just click the plus button right here in the middle and go wherever you saved your pictures at. So if you saved your pictures on a Mac, go find those pictures. For me, I'm already in the pictures folder, so all my pictures will be right here. If you're on a Windows machine, they'll be in the pictures folder, but obviously it's a little bit different on the Windows side. And then just select the photo you want. For me, I'll do the picture of a dog. I'll hit open. And here I can edit and throw on filters. Same thing I could do on a phone. So it's that simple. That is how to upload photos to Instagram from your computer. Hopefully it helped, guys. It was just a quick video. Remember to enter that contest. All you need to do to enter for an Amazon gift card is be subscribed and let me know down in the comments below that you want to enter. So that's it. I will see you guys on the next video.